So here everyone, in this quick tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can change the username of your profile on Instagram. So all you need to do is to just simply open the settings of your Instagram application in your smartphone, or you can do the same process from the web versions as well. So in the settings here on the search bar at the top of the list, you need to search for this particular keyword which says username. If I write username over there, here you're gonna find this option of username. Just simply tap it over here. Now a page is going to be loaded and opened, and you just need to wait. And here you can find this option of username. You can just simply rewrite your username and make changes as per your convenience, but you need to make sure that the username must be a unique username that nobody else has been taken previously. So if once you are done with it, and just simply hit done, and your username is going to be changed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.